Jim Nantz and Phil Simms exclusively for CBSSports.com. We're here in Green Bay. The Packers dominate the Indianapolis Colts and improved to 4-3 on the year. Aaron Rodgers was very efficient, threw for a touchdown. Ryan Grant went over 100 yards, rushed for a score, and they returned Peyton Manning twice, 2 passes for touchdowns.
Where do you start for the Green Bay Packers, Jim? Every phase of their football game today was terrific. Aaron Rodgers, just another solid day, showing his toughness, playing well with that injured right shoulder. But to me, the biggest story, Green Bay's defense, what they did to one of the best offenses in the NFL.
So surprising, too. We had seen the Colts last week. It looked like they put all their early season troubles behind. But today, it was 17-7 lead by the Packers at halftime. And really, going into a bye week now, they showed that they're one of the elite teams. They're going to be a good team here with Aaron Rodgers looking very comfortable.
Yeah, I'm smiling because every week I want to say the same thing. All right, let's just don't get carried away because you just never know in the NFL. It's such an unbelievable league. Just looking at the records of teams that we thought were going to be the dominant teams, and you just never know. Green Bay played spectacular today. Can they keep it up? I don't know. We'll see.
All right, we've got to head to Wembley Stadium in London for next week. The Chargers and the Saints will be battling. For now, Phil Simms, Jim Nantz, and all the crew saying so long from Lambeau Field, where Green Bay throttles Indianapolis today 34-14.